going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something that I've been waiting for so long. We have the good Pitbull motorcycle stands. What we're gonna do, we're gonna unbox this. I'm gonna put her up on the stand for the winter, and that'll be it. Let's check them out. Just open the box. There's one part of the stand, and here goes the other. So since I don't want to damage anything, we're about to cut everything off here that is taped up. All right, so I'm going to just try to gauge where these need to be. That one and that right there. This is the part I don't like. Is trying to get this upright. Let's see if this works. There we go. So now, here is the moment of truth. And so you want to lift it up straight. Make sure it's on the spools. There we go. Hell yeah. Woo! Now that I have that, let's see if I can't take this off. And then, bam. There we go. All right, so there you go. That is what it's looking like, ladies and gentlemen. So I pretty much had to back these all the way out to outside this way to make it work, but it looks so good. All right, so this is a two-piece hybrid system to lift up your the front of your bike. I'm not going to be using anything dealing with the forks. It's just going to go straight with the stem. And so this is the stem right here. Each bike is different. Whenever you order this hybrid system, you will have to tell them what make and model you have, and then it'll tell you on there which stem that you have to get. So this particular one is for the Hayabusa. Here we go. All right. There we go. All right. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like. This piece right here is gonna go up underneath here, and we will do that here shortly, but first, we have these that needs to go through here. Lock these in place. All right. Go. All right, so I think I might have encountered a small problem, maybe not, but we'll see. So let's see if we can't get this under here and not tear something up. All right, here we go. There we go. All right, so we got that. So need to, there goes that. All right. There we go. Yeah, so as you can see, I thought I needed to keep these on, or keep these, thought I needed to keep these on right here. And I probably need to put these on now. But make sure that that stays. Make sure this stays. And I can take this off right here. Throw this back on. And there we go. And so, if you can see, yeah, right there, that is where that pin goes in. Goes right into the stem. So what I needed to do, is I needed to position this first up inside there without connecting it to this. And so there you have it. Everything looking nice and tidy and clean. A little pricey, almost $500, but it's well worth it for what you get for being able to put this bike up, have it protected and not falling over or anything like that. And also the ease that will come when you're doing any type of maintenance on this bike. You can see I have it on the spool there. And these are little lock nuts. These are actually pretty dope. I haven't seen those before. Definitely looking good. Geisha is sitting right. Now I don't have to worry about flat spots on the tires. And just an overall dope addition to being able to do maintenance and stuff. So there you go. There you have it, everybody. Everything looks the way it should, and this is a solid pickup. I'm happy with how this turned out. Everything is looking good. So thank you guys very much for coming to the channel. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and smash that like button. And if you like the channel, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification button. So each and every time I put out a video, you'll be notified. And as always, everybody, remember, everyone deployed, and I am out.